In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload documents in BambooHR. Uploading documents to BambooHR is a quick way to keep your HR files organized and accessible. Whether you're submitting identification, certifications, or a signed form, I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share helpful tips so everything goes smoothly. Start by opening your company's BambooHR site in a web browser. If you're asked to sign in, just use your usual login method and you'll land on the BambooHR homepage. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of the screen for the navigation panel. Find and select My Info. This is your personal profile area where you can view and manage details related to your employment. Inside your profile, look for the Documents section. Go ahead and click Documents. This page is the central place where your personal files live inside BambooHR. You may see an empty list if you're uploading your first file, or you might see previously uploaded documents if you've added items before. Next, click the Upload button. Depending on your layout, this button might appear near the top of the page. Clicking Upload will open your computer's file chooser window so you can select the file you want to add. Choose the file you'd like to upload from your device and click Open. Before you select it, it helps to double check that the file looks correct and is clearly named. Something like certification name YYYMMDD can make it easier for HR and for you to recognize later. BambooHR typically supports common formats like PDF, images, and standard document types, but if your file doesn't appear or won't attach, try converting it to PDF for the most reliable results. Also, make sure the file isn't open in another program and that it's under any size limits your organization may have set. Once the file is selected, you'll be brought back to BambooHR where you'll confirm the upload by clicking Save. After you click Save, give it a moment to process. You should then see the document appear in your list on the Documents page. If you don't see it right away, refresh the page to update the view. You can always return to this area later to reference what you've uploaded. That's all it takes. Open BambooHR, go to My Info, head into Documents, click Upload, pick your file, and hit Save. Keeping documents current helps your HR team stay on top of requirements and speeds up approvals and onboarding tasks. If your company has specific naming rules or document guidelines, be sure to follow those for consistency. Thanks for watching, and you're now ready to upload documents in BambooHR with confidence.